Hello, it's Angie from Trips with Angie. I'm a certified luxury travel specialist, and I am here at RIU Palace Tropical Bay, just outside Negril, Jamaica. It's about an hour 20 from the Montego Bay Airport. This had a major renovation within the last year, so I'm excited to show it to you. Here's the lobby where you'll check in for your stay, and this is Crystal, the upscale dining restaurant. If you've stayed at other RIU Palaces, you'll know it. Here's the activities. There's tons of activities every day for adults and kids. They have these touch screens where you can see what's happening, whether it's fitness or activities or in RIU Land, the kids land. And then every night there's live music and entertainment. Just a note, just a reminder that there's a lobster season in Jamaica, so keep that in mind. This is Negril. This is one of the included restaurants. You can see the menu there. It's a buffet during the day, and I love RIU Palace buffets. I think they're fantastic. There's so much fresh food and different things to try. There's also the Jerk Shack. If you walk through the buffet restaurant, you end up at the Jerk Shack. And here's a view of that beach. There is a long stretch of beach here in front of the resort. That's the beach grill. Here's the activity pool. You can see there's a little basketball court there. There's also a ramp that goes into the third pool. These are the beachfront rooms. As you can see, they have a great view just overlooking the beach. Now, depending on where you are, you may have some trees in the way. This is the yoga area, so they'll have yoga classes there that are included. Here's a peek into one of the rooms. So this is a standard room. The views change. This has 2 double beds instead of a king bed. They can be pushed together or separated. Brand new TVs, a nice little desk area, and then your ocean view. This is considered an ocean view because you can see the ocean there to the side. The ocean views do overlook the resort. RIU Palace includes alcohol in the room in addition to sodas, waters, and beer. Now, this is one of the suites, so if you wanted to upgrade, splurge a little bit, you can see they have the large tub, 2 sinks, walk-in shower, and it's larger and laid out a little bit differently because you have that extra chair and kind of a living room area. And then now you are on the corner, so you have that ocean front view and this huge wraparound balcony. Here's the beauty salon in the spa. I love these little pedicure chairs. I think they would be so much fun. And then here, just a view of some of the treatment rooms. This is the kids area, so they have their own pool. This is the 24-hour lounge and sports bar, so you can come in here any time of the day, grab a snack. Here's the theater where they have the evening entertainment. You can see it's huge, so you can have some inside seating and then some outdoor seating. Here's another one of the included restaurants. It's Asia themed, and the lobby bar that is also connected to a little coffee shop. So thanks for watching. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. I post new videos every Tuesday, and if you sign up via the link in the description of this video to get tours delivered to your inbox, you get some special bonuses. Thanks.